This is a Commodore News Update.
Welcome to this Commodore News Update for Monday, May 15th. I'm Quiana Woodard. Friday's baseball and softball games were postponed because of rain. However, the boys soccer team defeated Green One 7-0. Tucker Sanford and Michael Jett each had 2 goals for the Commodores. The girls soccer team also defeated the Stallions 8-0. Star White had 4 goals. Now here's Dylan Lim in the control room.
Thanks, Quiana. The softball team takes on the Norview Pilots at Norview. Game time is 4 p.m. The baseball team travels to Indian River for a game against the Braves. The game starts at 4 p.m. as well. The Atlantic Conference individual tennis team first round and quarterfinal matches are today at Princess Anne. Alyssa Anderson and Celine Miller will compete for the girls' single crown, while Ethan Willingham and Oliver Siegfried are strong candidates for the boys' title. Tomorrow, the Atlantic Conference tennis tournament continues with double first round and singles semifinal action. The softball team hosts Green Run here at Maury. Game time is 4 p.m. In soccer, the girls and boys take on the Norview Pilots at Powhatan Field. The girls play at 5:15, while the boys play at 7 p.m. Back to you, Quiana.
Thanks, Dylan. Now here's what's happening at MHS. You're up to date for Monday, May 15th. I'm Quiana Woodard. Have a great day.
This has been a Commodore News Update.